Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Jugnoo Kids TV. Please subscribe our channel. Children, today we will learn to count the objects from 1 to 10 and number spellings. 1. O-N-E 1. 1 car. 2. T-W-O 2. 2 stars. 3. T-H-R-E-E 3. 3 aeroplanes. 4. F-O-U-R 4. 4 fish. 5. F-I-V-E 5. 5 dolls. 6. S-I-X 6. 6 ducks. 7. S-E-V-E-N 7. 7 girls. 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. 8 telephones. 9. N-I-N-E 9. 9 crayons. 10. 10. T-E-N 10. 10 fingers. Thanks for watching, children. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. See you next time. Allah Hafiz.